Okay, welcome back, YouTube, boys and gals. This is Survival LT. Survival LT. Today I am making blueberry pancakes and eggs. I'm making a breakfast for dinner. So, yeah, I'm just throwing this pancake mix all over the floor, but it's okay. Put it all over myself. Add some cold water to this mix. All right. Shut that off. I'm gonna take these blueberries, I'm gonna wash them off in some cold water. Take out the unripe ones. Okay, and I want to dump it down in my pancake mix. Get rid of the container. Stir them up.
Do you like blueberry muffins? I mean, blueberry pancakes?
They're blueberry pancakes, people. Don't listen to Hot Prepper. Their mind's in the sky today.
Out of space.
I don't know why. But add a little bit more pancake mix to thicken it up a little bit.
Do you like pancakes, blueberry pancakes? Or muffins? You know you can make blueberry muffins with that too?
Yes. But I ain't making blueberry muffins.
I know.
Okay, I need the oil so I can get this skillet nice and hot. Get my stove ready. I'm gonna have it on medium. About low to.
Do you want me to turn it that way?
Yeah. Get my skillet nice and hot. Yep. Okay.
You gotta clean your mess up.
Yes. You gotta keep your kitchen clean, people. Okay? Clean your mess up. It's a good tip for your if kids are doing making breakfast, whatever, they make a mess, have them cleaned up. Okay. Okay. All right. Can you all see me? Oh yeah, it's nice and sizzling. Bring it just a little closer. Okay, get my pancake mix right here. Every bite you take, you're gonna have a blueberry in it. Okay.
You know that thing where we heat the tortillas up with it?
Yeah.
That one help make them.
You know what? You might be right, but I'm just going to have to do it this way. For night.
Oh no, I
Still
just.
dirtying everything up.
Yeah. I just had a.
I was thinking about that earlier, to be honest about it. They're higher prepper. Oh, I'm going to need a plate too. Please. When they're done, that's the reason why you leave your skillet on low heat. And we got popping grease. That's the reason why we leave it on low heat. So it ain't popping. so much. You just pull the skillet off the stove. And I'll show you what this looks like in a minute. It looks like the ones your grandma used to make when you was kids.
If you're some of the older foods.
Jack, just bring it a little closer so they can see. Okay. Yeah, hold it right there. Pull it back some, pull it down so you can see my face. Bring it back over and let them see what's in the skillet. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. We'll just move the camera around a little bit so you can see.
Is that good?
Yeah. Let that one brown up. This one right here is going to fall apart.
Oh well, if it does.
It just did. It's too wet.
Try to move it back some.
But it'd be,
Eatable?
yeah, it's eatable. So, okay, here's this one. And I'll give it a little bit longer.
Come on. Wow.
No, leave her in there.
I don't want to throw in there. What? You're doing that.
Okay. Yeah, like I said on my other videos, I do not edit my stuff. So when I'm done here, I just go ahead and upload and be done with it. Yeah, she fell apart on me, but it's okay. Fell apart. It's all right. Homemade blueberry pancakes. Okay. And the kids would love those right there. Okay. Kids would love those right there. Okay. I'm gonna fix some eggs. Ain't nothing like breakfast for dinner. Dinner time. Breakfast. And a little bit more.
Let them know it's been late. It's dinner time.
They know what dinner time is. Yeah, you can never go wrong with breakfast, so breakfast is always good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let you see what these eggs look like in a second. They're nice and over easy. Okay. There you guys have it. Blueberry pancakes with eggs. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you ain't already subscribed to my channel. And God bless. Have a good evening. I'll catch you on the next time.